and good morning everybody. This is Bridget here. Welcome to my channel. Today I thought I'd just show you a very old colonial pie dish that we used to have as children in the Kolar Gold Fields, and it's none other than the Cornish Pasties. Now the Cornish Pasties came into India during the time of the British Raj with the Cornish soldiers and the Cornish mine workers. Okay, so actually how this is a history behind the Cornish Pasties. It's from Cornwall, and the miners and the farm workers found it to be a very nutritious as well as an easy lunch for them to carry to the fields and to the mines. So this is just like a small pie filled with chunks of beef, potatoes, and in those days turnip or sweet. But when it came to India, we didn't have turnips and sweets, so they made do with carrots. And you know, in KGF, I come from a mining town, Kolar Gold Fields, which is in the erstwhile Mysore state in South India, and this was a very famous dinner delicacy that we would have very often as children. So as you see the video, you will understand what a Cornish pasty is. And this is not a video that I'm doing and taking the video. I have taken photographs, and it's just like a slideshow with subtitles. So I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. And I would just love to clarify that Cornish pasties are not curry puffs or Anglo-Indian mince puffs. They look like that, but the dough that we make is short crust pastry, which is very different from the dough that we use for making our curry puffs. So come, let's get started. you like this video that I just showed you of Cornish pasties. If you did, please do like and share it. And as always, do subscribe to my YouTube channel.